I found these 2 lamps at my local Habitat for Humanity restore and thought I would do another lamp makeover for my new bedroom redo that I'm working on currently. They were brass and kind of gross looking, and these shades are pretty disgusting. Although I didn't throw them away, I'm going to save them and try to do something else with them later. The cool thing was my local restore has sales occasionally, and everything today marked with the yellow sticker was 50% off, so I got both of these for a total of $3. So I decided I would give them a coat of flat black. I used an ultra flat spray paint to just cover that brass color. I wanted them to end up being like almost like a worn steel or like a tarnished silver kind of look. So I thought I would hit them with some silver paint that I had, although when I opened it up to use it, nothing came out but water. So I threw it away and decided to go with my next choice, which was some silver spray paint. I just squirted some out onto a plate and then dipped my brush in it to get some paint on it, and then dabbed it off on a paper towel and dry brushed over top of the flat black. It covered the entire surface of the lamp with just some dry brush. Then I went back over it with some of the ultra flat, just sprayed some of that back out on a plate again, dipped my brush in it, and then instead of dabbing it off and dry brushing it, I just went straight over top of the silver with it. And what this did was it kind of reactivated the silver paint that was not totally dry yet and mixed with it. So it kind of gave it an iridescent black kind of look. Once I covered that all up, I let them dry and decided to work on the shades. I bought a couple of cheap shades at Walmart for $11 a piece, and decided to use a paint marker to draw basically just some tree branches on them. Now that was a little difficult because the surface of this had some texture to it. If I did this again, I'd probably use something a little bit more smooth, but I ended up liking the way it eventually turned out. Then I just attached those to the top of the lamps. And I liked the way the bases of them worked with the lamps. And when you turn them on, because of the texture of the lamp, it gave them kind of a translucent effect. So there you go. There's the final product.